Dropping this off for Boogie. Good morning. It's morning.
Seems like afternoon to me.
Huh?
Go to the back so I can have to get some of
This a $500 load of wood.
Oh.
I'm gonna hit you in your damn head. Roll that thing on back. It's all screwed up.
It's hungry.
No, it's broke.
Yeah.
So just roll it on back like that. Hold that piece right there when you roll it. A lot of that poplar's green now.
I know.
Got my good white oak that we got up from that dude house.
Fishing.
Yeah. That's why this load is $375. No. You don't see no damn smoke, do you? You hear them cars run down the road? You got a battery in that truck, Mike?
Starter's killing it. Why?
Because instead of worrying about this piece of shit, I be worrying about that one. Getting that on the road. You got the tags for it, don't you?
Yeah, I got tags for it, but the one thing about it is I don't know about the framework on it.
Man, fuck that frame. You drove it up in here, didn't you?
Yeah, but like I said, they you know how they pick it up.
Okay, well, you don't know until they look at it, will you?
Nope.
All right, then let's get it looked at. That way you don't have to be worrying about somebody else bringing you shit all the time. You can go get it yourself. That's a classic.
I know it's true. It's classic. That's a classic.
Yeah, but that one ain't running.
Yeah. When I get that other part for it, it costs $300. It'll be right.
Oh, what y'all slowing down? I just, for me, Mike.
I want that truck to be on the road too.
Okay, well, ain't nothing to it.
I gotta worry about the house. Then I gotta worry about the vehicles that's gonna get me around. Then I gotta worry about that.
Well, you need a vehicle to get around before you can worry about the house and all the rest of that stuff. I'm just saying that's just my opinion. I guess opinion.
My opinion is I want it on the road. Do everything.
I think it would be cheaper to get that on the road than it is to get this one on the road.
You gonna crawl up underneath of there and put a starter on?
If we have to.
It's cold down there on the ground. Get down there, I won't get up.
What?
Actually, you got the camera on.
I ain't got nothing on. Don't worry about what I got on.
Yeah, you do. Look at that thing on top of his head.
Everybody talking shit.
I gotta go back and watch this shit.
I know. Then you go look at it 100 times.
I would say they got that boogie only put 3 pieces of wood off the truck.
Don't give Boogie Woogie his phone.
Oh Lord, don't fall. Don't be burning all the damn dry wood, then you ain't gonna have nothing.
No. I mixed it up, put the green, half green in there, wheelbarrow, and put all the half some dry in there.
Okay. I don't care how you burn it.
Good morning, Mr. Curry.
Good morning, Sheila. How you doing? Huh? Here go a piece of pie for you.
Yeah. I just put that in there. So I know what to do.
Look at all my good oak I'm just giving away. My truck probably say, "Thank you, Lord. I've been driving this shit around for 2 weeks." Goddamn frame about to bust open. I know that's right. Motherfucker said, "Please let this get this wood off
I've
here."
been carrying my brother for a long time.
Oh shit. Yep. She gonna burn up like y'all been doing.
All that wood burned up right there. I'm standing on top of some of it.
Some of it. Wasn't much left, was it? Yeah, that
I
was
thought about it last night when I was sitting
that was a load and a half
Huh?
of fucking wood that was here. Just burning it, sitting there burning it.
Huh?
I'd be cutting all them little dead ass trees, man.
Yeah, so
It's all right there in that damn truck.
you can put this on there.
I'm not cutting shit.
Give me the saw.
Uh-huh.
I can't take that heavy motherfucker.
I got one just like it right there in the back seat. Crank every time.
Good run.
Yeah.
How much you want for?
$100.
I don't think I got enough.
You don't think you got enough?
Not today.
I ain't selling.
I might have to sign a ticket.
An IOU.
IOU ticket. You know what I'm saying?
We said my truck probably said, "Thank you, Lord Jesus," but carrying this shit around for 2 weeks. Heavy.
It's about time for you to put this monkey off my back.
I know. That motherfucker said, "Oh, now I can breathe."